Hey, if you've ever wanted to make real money online but felt stuck, overwhelmed, or just didn't know where to start, then you need to hear about this. On February 19th, James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier are launching something big. It's called DFY Super Affiliate, and it's a completely done-for-you system that lets you start making affiliate commissions without all the headaches of building everything yourself. What makes DFY Super Affiliate different? Everything is already built for you. No need to create websites, funnels, or emails. Multiple income streams. Earn from different sources with just one setup. Proven traffic strategies. So you're not stuck wondering how to get clicks. Step-by-step guidance. Perfect for beginners and experienced marketers. This is the easiest way to start making commissions fast, without wasting months figuring it out yourself. The launch is happening on February 19th, and you don't want to miss this. Click the link in description to get early access and be the first to profit from this powerful system. Act fast, because the sooner you jump in, the sooner you can start earning. See you inside.